A beautiful redbreast right here. Thank you for the catch, buddy.
No!
The bass was right there, yep.
I gotta eat it.
Stripe?
I'm literally looking at it. Get it. Told you. Nice greenie.